Many years ago, I stumbled upon a life-altering concept. It was the idea that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. Initially, I was skeptical. How could something as intangible as a thought possibly influence the events of our lives? I had always believed in the power of hard work and determination, but this seemed almost too good to be true. Intrigued, I began to explore this concept further, and what I discovered changed everything. I learned that our minds are like gardens. Whatever we plant in them, whether it be flowers or weeds, will ultimately grow. If we constantly focus on negative thoughts, fears, and limitations, we create a reality that reflects those things. On the other hand, if we cultivate positive thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, we attract more of the same into our lives. It's a simple yet profound principle that has the power to transform every aspect of our existence. This realization was a turning point in my life. It was like being handed the keys to my own happiness and fulfillment. I realized that I was not merely a passive observer in my own life, but an active creator. The power to shape my reality lay within my own mind. Neville Goddard called this practice of consciously choosing our thoughts a mental diet. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy foods, we must also nourish our minds with empowering thoughts. Our thoughts are energy, and they have a vibration that attracts similar energies. By becoming aware of our dominant thoughts and beliefs, we can begin to identify the seeds we are sowing in our subconscious minds. Are we planting seeds of fear, doubt, and scarcity? Or are we cultivating seeds of love, abundance, and joy? The answer to this question will largely determine the harvest we reap in our lives. The benefits of adopting a positive mental diet are endless. As we begin to focus on what we want to experience, rather than what we fear, we align ourselves with the frequency of our desires. This alignment opens up new possibilities and opportunities that were previously hidden from our view. We begin to attract people, resources, and circumstances that support our newfound beliefs. Our relationships improve, our finances flourish, and our overall well-being soars. It all starts with the simple act of choosing empowering thoughts over limiting ones. The first step in mastering your mental diet is to become aware of your current thought patterns. Most of us are unaware of the constant stream of thoughts that flow through our minds daily. We do not realize 90% of our thoughts are the same as the thoughts we had the day before, which is how we end up in the same cycle day in and day out. This explains why most people barely see a change in their lives year after year. We operate on autopilot, allowing our subconscious beliefs to dictate our emotions and actions. To cultivate awareness, begin by paying attention to your inner dialogue. What are the recurring themes that dominate your thoughts? Are you constantly worrying about the future, dwelling on the past, or comparing yourself to others? Once you become aware of your thought patterns, you can start to challenge their validity. Are these thoughts based on facts or merely on limiting beliefs you've picked up along the way? Remember, not every thought we have is true or serves our highest good. By becoming more mindful of our thoughts, we empower ourselves to make conscious choices about what we allow to take root in our minds. We can choose to entertain thoughts that empower us, or we can choose to let go of those that no longer serve us. As you become more aware of your thoughts, you'll likely notice some recurring negative patterns. These might be doubts about your abilities, fears of failure, or limiting beliefs about what you deserve. Don't be discouraged by these negative thoughts. See them as opportunities for growth. When a negative thought arises, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Often you'll find that your negative thoughts stem from unfounded fears or past experiences that no longer hold power over you. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough to achieve my dreams," challenge that thought. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have to support this belief? You might find that your past successes and inherent talents contradict this limiting belief. By challenging your negative thoughts, you can begin to dismantle the limiting beliefs that are holding you back from living your fullest life. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and in turn, create a reality that aligns with your desires. Once you've identified and challenged your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering ones. This step requires conscious effort and repetition, but the results are well worth it. Start by creating affirmations that reflect the thoughts and beliefs you want to embody. These affirmations should be stated in the present tense, as if they are already true. For example, instead of thinking, "I want to be more confident," affirm, "I am confident and capable." Repeat your affirmations daily, either silently to yourself or out loud with conviction. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize yourself living in alignment with them. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with embodying these positive beliefs. By consistently feeding your mind with empowering thoughts and beliefs, you'll begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. This process takes time and effort, but it's the key to creating lasting change in your life. Mastering your mental diet is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice. Just as we need to nourish our bodies with healthy food regularly, we must also nourish our minds with positive thoughts consistently. Make it a habit to start and end your day with gratitude. Take a few moments each morning to appreciate all the good in your life, and before bed, reflect on the positive experiences from your day. Throughout the day, be mindful of your thoughts. When you catch yourself slipping into negative thinking patterns, gently redirect your focus to something positive. Remember, your thoughts are powerful creators, so choose to focus on what you want to manifest in your life. The more consistently you practice managing your thoughts, the easier it will become. Over time, you'll find that positive thinking becomes your natural state of being, and you'll effortlessly attract more joy, abundance, and fulfillment into your life. One of the most powerful concepts within Neville Goddard's teachings is the law of assumption. This law states that our assumptions, even if they are not yet reflected in our current reality, have the power to shape our future experiences. In essence, believing is seeing, not the other way around. When we assume something to be true, even if it seems impossible at the moment, we align ourselves with the frequency of that reality. This alignment allows us to attract the people, resources, and circumstances that will bring our desired outcome to fruition. The key to utilizing the law of assumption is to embody the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Don't just wish for something, assume it to be true now. Feel the emotions you would feel if your desire were already manifested. The more vividly you can imagine and feel your desired outcome, the faster it will manifest in your reality. Remember, your imagination is the preview of life's coming attractions. Mastering your mental diet is a journey, not a destination. There will be times when you fall back into old patterns of negative thinking, and that's okay. Don't judge yourself or give up on the process. The key is to approach this journey with self-compassion and patience. Just as we wouldn't expect to run a marathon without proper training, we can't expect to transform our thought patterns overnight. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Each time you choose an empowering thought over a limiting one, you're taking a step closer to creating the life you desire. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. By mastering your mental diet, you can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and limitless possibilities. You are the artist of your life, and your thoughts are the brushstrokes that paint your reality. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, and every emotion you feel contributes to the masterpiece that is your life. By mastering your mental diet, you reclaim your power as the creator of your experience. You choose to focus on love, joy, and abundance, and you attract more of those qualities into your life. Remember, you are worthy of all the good that life has to offer. Believe in yourself, trust in the process, and never underestimate the power of your thoughts to create a reality that reflects your deepest desires. The world is your canvas. What will you create?